Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you cannot type in Windows 11 search box. Now, there might be an instance where you're trying to type anything in the Windows search box and it doesn't allow you to type. Now, there are a couple of fixes which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step, what you could do is to restart your Windows Explorer. To do this, you will have to press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager on your computer. Once you have the Task Manager open, you will have to go ahead and click on Processes. Under Processes, you will have to locate for Windows Explorer. It would be at the very top. In case if you don't see at the top, you will have to scroll down to the bottom of this page and look for Windows Explorer. Once you have the Windows Explorer, all you need to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on Restart. Once you click on Restart, several UI elements will disappear for a few moments and reappear soon after. Once you have all the UI elements back on your screen, you may go ahead and close the Task Manager, and then you may go ahead and try to type in the search box and see if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. The next method you need to try is to rebuild the Windows search index. To do this, you will have to open the control panel. To open the control panel, you may go ahead and do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type control and click on OK. This should open the control panel on your computer. In case if you're on the large icon or small icon view, well and good. In case if you're on a category view, this is how the control panel items would appear. To go back to the large icons, you will have to go ahead and click on large icons. Once you're on the large icons view, you will have to look for the indexing option. Click on it. Once you have indexing options open, you may go ahead and click on modify. Choose the location where you want to rebuild index with. Best practice, choose all the location and check the box. In case if there are any box unchecked, then click on show all location. Make sure you have all the boxes checked. Click on OK. Once that is done, you may go ahead and click on advanced. Once you're on the advanced, click on rebuild. Once you click on rebuild, you will see a pop-up window for rebuild index, which will give you a message saying that rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. So what this will do is this will go ahead and rebuild the index. You may go ahead and click on OK. Close this window and you should be able to perform the usual task on the computer. Possibly do not search any items until the rebuilding is complete. Now the rebuilding will depend on the amount of data what you have on the computer. It might take about hours together or hour or two. Wait until the rebuilding is complete. Once the rebuilding is complete, you will see a prompt saying that the rebuild is complete, and with that you may go ahead and check if you are able to type anything in the search window. So in case if it is still not working, the next step is to go ahead and restart your Windows search service. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button, and once you're on the start button, you may go ahead and click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and click on OK. This should open the services window. Once you have the services window, you will have to go ahead and look for Windows search. It would be in alphabetical order. Check for the Windows search services and check if it is running. In case if it is running, well and good. At the same time, what you could also do is you can do a right click and click on properties. Make sure the startup type has been set to automatic. Click on apply. Stop the Windows services. Once the Windows services is been stopped, you may go ahead and click on start again. Click on OK and you may go ahead and close this window, restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. This should definitely fix the problem. So in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and re-register the search box using PowerShell. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on terminal admin. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the Windows PowerShell or terminal in the administrator privileges, what you will need to do is you will have to go ahead and type the command. I will also paste the command in the video description. You can copy the command from the video description, do a right click, that should paste the command directly to the Windows terminal or PowerShell. Once you have this command, you will have to hit enter. This will go ahead and execute the command to re-register the search box using PowerShell. You will have to wait until the complete execution is complete. Once the command has been successfully executed, you may go ahead and restart your computer and then check if your Windows search is working. In case if it is working, well and good, you don't have to worry about the next step. Now the next step to get this issue resolved is to go ahead and update your Windows. To update your Windows, you may go ahead and do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update. Once you're on the Windows Update, check if available updates on your computer by clicking on check for the update. With this, your Windows will try to check if there are any available updates to be installed on the computer. At the same time, in case if you don't see any updates available to be installed, you may also click on advanced option. Under advanced option, go to optional updates. Under optional updates, check if there are any updates to be installed. In case if there are any updates to be installed, you may go ahead and click on those updates and then click on download and install. With this, what will happen is your Windows will try to download and install the possible available updates for your computer. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer, and then you should be able to search anything in your Windows using the search window. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.